Good day, beautiful people. It's me, Angie.
And I'm Austin, and this is our YouTube channel, and we got a good dish for you today. Tell them about it.
We're about to make some falafel.
Falafel is
No,
vegan.
say it again, babe.
Falafel.
I say falafel.
Falafel.
It's about to be bomb.
Falafel.
And it's vegan.
Falafel.
So,
You want to tell them about the ingredients?
yes.
Let's do it.
Here.
Okay, so the ingredients we have, the main ingredients like the garbanzo beans, the chickpeas. So we have 2 cans of those, and the spinach. So those are like the 2 main ingredients. The spinach is what obviously makes it green. You have 2 different types of flour. So we use like the oat flour. You can just take these oats and then just put them in the blender.
Blend it with
Yeah, and blend them up. So you can use oat flour, or you can use regular flour. We have the breadcrumbs inside as well with the extra virgin olive oil, and then you got a bunch of spices.
Some spices here. We got the Creole spice, the seasoned salt, the black pepper, cayenne pepper. Of course, you add a little bit of baking powder.
Yeah, so make sure you add baking powder. And then we have some more spices here, like a spice blend, and then like we got some peppers also. So.
All right, and you need a pan for that also to fry it. And without further ado, let's get to it.
See, so it gets kind of thick, so you just want to move it around.
Move it around, mixing everything together.
And blend it back up again. It smells really good though.
It smells good. I'm not taste it. It's really good, baby.
Good.
It just need a little spicy. All right, all finished. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
It looks so good.
You wanna see? Look at it's like pig. Exactly the way you need it.
Yeah, exactly.
It's supposed to
what it
be
should be.
thick.
See, like it doesn't really fall off the spoon.
Yep.
Nice.
All right, so let's get to it. Let's get to it.
Okay, so we got them frying. All right, we did not end up using the breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs was something that we did not use before. Wanted to try it and see if it would help, but it is no bueno. So do not use the breadcrumbs. Okay. So you literally just take the falafel, take it up out of here, all right, and plop it down in the grease. Do not burn yourself. Okay. This is hot.
So this is the final result, and there's more cooking. Yay! We have enough to eat.
I'm gonna take one and like break one open. That's what you see on the inside. See, look at that. Moist on the inside, a little crunchy on the outside.
Yes. Oh yeah.
See, that's good. Hope you guys like it. So I hope you guys like this video. We got a lot of stuff to clean up, but the falafel turned out great.
Perfect. It's still going. It's a process, and I'm tired. I'm ready to eat the falafel.
Yeah, I'm ready to eat some too.
Watch a movie.
If you ever make the falafel and it starts to break apart, just put a little bit more baking soda in it, or put a little bit more flour. Yeah.
And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you for tuning in. And it's Angie.
I'm Austin. This is our YouTube channel. Subscribe down
below.
below. Hope you guys like this video.
And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.